If you are running Google ads or Meta ads and not getting any sales, then this video is going to be very useful for you. So you have to watch this full, because in this video I got a query like this, and see what I'm going to answer. So let's listen to the query, and then let's listen to my opinion as well. So need expert help. Google ads and Meta ads campaign getting impressions. That's really good, but zero conversions. What am I missing? You are definitely missing something, which is why you are getting zero conversions. Hi Ali, I'm running into a frustration problem with both my Google ads and Meta ads campaign. I can understand. The situation can be very disturbing, because you're spending money, and when you're spending your money and you're not getting any sales, so you may have depression and curiosity and everything, becoming exhausting. And I can understand, because I have seen and dealt with many clients such like these. So despite setting them up following various recommendations, the companies are getting impressions but absolutely no conversions, no forms, no fills, no leads. Context: to give context, I'm advertising my international procurement services, which is already a niche thing. I got to find clients who need to import a certain type of goods from overseas. So got to target C-suite level people, and then people with high intent to get goods from outside the country in general. I do not know the company, but let me zoom on the data over here. When it's a bare bone request, I do sourcing, inspection, logistic, including clearing customs, and the rest until goods arrive to the buyer in the country. It's basically a B2B business and require a lot long tenure. I can understand. And the rest until goods arrive to the buyer in the country, basically end-to-end supply chain solution. More demanding requests can have me do a few additional things, like setting up something from the ground up, like setting a factory, designing it for efficiency to pump out X amount of products per day, or have a design to be made by an OEM. Point is, this is definitely not B2C, and it's just a small percentage of people in B2B. I already told you, B2B, who can decide who are my target audience. Everyone relies on inbound in this industry, because it's the opposite of an impulse buy. They are either expanding operations or starting a new line of operations, sometimes just improving an existing ones. Now that what I do is out of the way, I set up a search campaign in Google Ads. No search partners, no smart campaign. That's good on a few countries: USA, UK, UAE, Germany. Huge keywords are tight, 64 keywords, exact and phrase match, no broad match. Headlines are straight to the point: find reliable suppliers, Asia plus Africa sourcing, your global sourcing partner. Descriptions are also straightforward. I did side links and call out, no images, out my logo, CPC at 2 USD. I put 20 USD daily budget. Today I changed to maximize clicks in hope of getting more actions. But yeah, thanks for reading all the way here, and I will not forget your help if it works out. I will just say thank you. So you can say a lot. You can hire me as well. So I ran Google Ads for 4 days and didn't get any impressions, let alone conversions, and desperately needed help, but don't know where to ask, because service is kind of niche, international procurement end to end, and I started to feel stuck. Might be fundamental flaws in my strategy or setting up that I'm missing. I'm happy to share screenshot or specific details if it helps. Would appreciate any expert guidance that can point me in the right direction to start generating real leads. Thanks. Okay, so yeah, it's a long query, and there are a few things which I was looking around in your data. And first is, because you are running on B2B and you have a 20 USD dollar budget, so my thing is that budget needed to be increased to minimum $100 on Meta and G separately. Okay, and because you are targeting 4 countries, so I think that it's for one country. So needed to be corrections needed to be done. Okay, also, what about retargeting? Are you doing it? No. Also, my opinion is, look for your competitors, study their Facebook, Instagram, and websites. This can help you both in Meta and Google Ads. So this is very important. You cannot take a decision without studying their offer, their landing page, how they are appealing. I'm sure that you are trying to create the leads campaign on Meta ads, and I think that you need to create similar on Google ads as well. But studying them on what's tempting them. Maybe it's your copyright issue, maybe your content issue, maybe the content is very good. Plus, another thing which I noticed on the data is that you are using very less ad extensions, because when you are saying that you are using site link and call outs, these are just 2 ad extensions. If I was over there and I was targeting on them, I may use a lot ad extensions. So you may see, well, now this is a simple ad, but if I add a lot of ad extensions, so it can be very tempting. I can understand, but because it's a B2B and you cannot do the correct pricing, so you remove the pricing over here. Still, it's going to be very tempting offer, and you may see over here that how your reviews can make an impact, your location and everything needed to be done on the ad Now this is for Google, but for Meta we can try the things as well. And because you told that you're using 64 keywords, I'm not sure what keywords you are using and what intent you have in mind, and you're using on the general basis of assumption, or you actually looked on your competitors. I think that in any industry, looking around on your competitors is very important and what they are doing, so you can narrow down and get a little bit idea from them as well. Plus, because it's a long scenario build work and it's a B2B, takes time, so I recommend another thing over here is that focus on your email subscription. Email newsletters could be a way, and you may be sending them an email, because the first thing is to build a relation with a client and then convert it into a customer. These customers are not going to be converted over the night because they are B2B customers and takes time, so you may need to spend months and months in before dealing with them. Also try listing yourself on Alibaba and other things and get reviews on your Google Map and Trustpilot. Now these reviews play a lot, so focus on those reviews. This can turn your customers. So if you can create case studies, articles, or YouTube, have customer testimonials on YouTube on what was their experience when they worked with you, when they bought products from you. So these things are also the part of your sales pitch. If you are just spending money on Google or Meta and not generating sales, you are missing on these things. Now this is, I'm getting on that data, but still I think that a lot more can be done, but just after knowing around on what your insights are. But this is my opinion. Your budget is very low, okay, and you're targeting 4 countries. 4 countries are huge population, so even in a single country, I think that you may need to target those areas or locations from where people buy, from where people import. So for instance, I know that in UK or USA, which cities or which areas are people live in where mostly do the import. So you need to understand the trend of a country before targeting the whole country. Look around for that statistics data, and you may see around from your competitors as well on where they are targeting, which locations. So this can tell you from where the customer really exists, which city or place your customer really exists, so then we can only target those. Retargeting also helps in building relationship, just like email newsletter. So I think that if you fixes these few things, so you may see the results from now. Again, $20 day a budget for a B2B product is just a waste of time for you and the company as well. So if all in all you have $20 a day, I strongly recommend you to stop creating the campaign. So I hope this answers your question and query. Lastly, I recommend you guys to make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you need our services specifically related to Google Ads, Bing Ads, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. I hope I answered the question. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.